sent the assignment through the mail. So remaining people have not sent. Only around 8 people have sent the assignment. So people who have not sent the assignment, okay, the internal marks 40 marks will be there. The certificate totally out of 100 marks. So that will be reduced. Okay, keep it that mind. Okay. Yes, only these people's. Yeah. So only these few people have submitted the assignment. So they will be getting the marks. Okay. So let's start. Let's start what we have done in the last class. I think we have completed the conditional formatting, right? So just open the file and copy the same data to a new worksheet. Control C, just Control V. So we are going to use Control plus T. This is nothing for table. Okay, just select the data, press Control T, then press Enter. See, once you press Control T, after selecting the data, uh, okay, Arun Gowda, let me check it out. I have not received your mail. Let me check it out, okay? I think your name is there. Arun Gowda, it is there, pa. I mentioned the name yours also. Present. Okay. So see here, this is the data. Just select the data, press Control T. So you will get this dialog box. So once you get this dialog box, see the range has been selected from A1 to F13. It is only fixed. It has been fixed only this much. Only for that fixed range, we are going to create a table. Control T, create table. Once if I give OK, the table will be get created. So before creating the table, just make sure that it has been enabled. When it has to be enabled, if you have the headers, these are the headers. If you have the headers, then just enable it. If you don't have any headers like name, Kannada, like this and all, just you can untick that. So what will happen is Excel itself gives some headings like column 1, 2, 3 like this. See like this. So just click that and then you can rename this. If not, you have already have the column headings. This is my column table headings. So then Control T, just enable my table as headers and just click as OK. Once I click OK, so my the range what I've selected, it has been converted as a table. Okay, I'm going slow only, ma. Just follow it. See, whatever the data we have created in the last class, select the data, Control C, go to a new workbook, Control V. You are getting Susmita? just last class data. Yeah. So then next just press Control plus T. See, automatically the range will be selected. Enable my table as headers. Why? Because we have the headers. Just give OK. So once you click on OK, just once you click on OK, automatically you are getting the table tools here. Table tools design tab. Yeah. So here, first thing, table name, you can change. So space is not allowed for the table name. You can give underscore. Okay. So just select the range, Control T, enter, and then automatically you'll get once you change it to Arun. Once again means from where, pa? I'm not getting you from where. Okay. So once I press Control T, enter, automatically it will be converted as table, and you will be having table tools and design tab. From the first please watch carefully. So this is the third time again I'm doing that same thing. See, in previously in conditional formatting, we have the data. Just copy the data from name to 5 subjects. Control C, copy. So take a new blank workbook. Control N, and just select the first cell. Control V. Then Control T, table. Enable this my table as headers, and then just click on OK button. Is that clear? Okay. So once you convert table, you will be having table tools. Under table tools, you will be having design tab. Okay. Here you can rename your table. So space is not allowed here. You have to give underscore only. If you want space, you have to give underscore. Space is not allowed. Is that clear? So next, just up to here, clear. Leave off this thing. Why? Because this is pivot table things. Next, we're going to do that. Once we do that, you'll come to know that. And one more thing, we are not doing table. Table is coming here. Here. Okay, just we are doing how to format a range as a table. That's it. So once you press Control T, you go for format as table. You can change whichever designs you want. Only this much you do it. So the table tools fully I will explain here. Here. Now just click Control T, format as a table, and just choose whichever you want, like format like light, medium, and dark, whichever themes you want. Okay. Now then just select a column or a cell or a row, format cells, just mention a different color. Like this. You can use Control key to select multiple rows. Press and hold on the Control key to select multiple rows. Like this. These are cell styles. So cell color you can give. for calculation, check cell input, linked cells. These are some things like, if I know, if I WhatsApp, in WhatsApp, and I put star button saying that it's a mistake and is corrected. Okay, like that. These are something warning text. When I give like this is a warning text. When I give like this is the output. When I give like this is a linked cell. So these are some few codes, color codes. Okay, is that clear until here? Please everyone respond in the chat box. Is that clear until here? Good. So next, see, next is very easiest option, insert delete format. So very easy. Instead of going and doing here, cell style, very easy ma. Just select a cell or a range. Just go for cell style. Choose your color, which one you want. If you want a heading, you choose a heading. If you want input. Colors, any colors you can choose. So if that is a heading style, just you can give heading styles. So for example, these are headings, right? These are headings. Cell style, heading style 1. I'm making as heading style 1 or heading style 2, like that. Anything you can select from this. Okay. And then insert, delete, format. Very easy. So let me tell you why it is easy. So insert, what we have? Insert cells, insert row or column, insert a sheet. And delete a cell, a row, a column, a row, sorry, delete a row, cell, column and sheet. So let me first do insert. So instead of going here and inserting one cell, so let me right click here, select one cell, right click, insert a column to the left. Yeah, recordings here, mark there. Our recording C. Here we have all our recordings on the day. Okay, the link is getting created. The link will be shared soon. Okay, don't worry. So I'll be sending the link. Okay, the recordings are there here. I'll be sending the links. Okay, Madan, don't worry. Just it's creating link. It's getting little time to send others. Okay, it's a huge file, right? I have to send them. Okay, getting little delay. Sorry for the delay. It will be sent. Okay, every videos are there. Every classes are getting recorded. Okay, see now. Right click on a cell, insert a column to the left, insert a column to the right. This is a right column, it's a left column. Again I right click, insert a table row above. So see, one row is inserted, and that time to the right side one column is inserted, and to the left side one column is inserted. And then how to insert a sheet? Why? Because here we have rows, columns and sheet. Above row, left columns are same only. Now I want to insert a sheet. Just press here on the plus button, or else right click on a sheet, go for insert. You choose which one you want to insert, worksheet or chart sheet, whatever you want. I want worksheet, so insert a worksheet here. Clear? Okay, so let me ask you some question. See, I want to insert a column between the D and E. Please tell me where you will right click and insert. I want a column between D and E, where you will right click and insert. D. Let me check D. See, it's not coming. So you have to right click on E column, insert. So that after D, I'll get column E. This is a correct. Before D, I should not get. After the D, I should get column. It will become as E column only, but between D and E means I should right click on the E So that by default it comes on the left side, right? So left means if I insert, it will come left side one column. So that is nothing but between D and E. So we have to right click on E column and insert. Okay. By default left will come. If you want right click, then you have to mention it. Okay. So now you understood, right, how to insert a row column sheet. So now let me teach you how to delete. Right click, delete a column. Delete. This and all I'm deleting a column. Let me show you how to delete a row. Just click on the row, the number, right click, delete option. Clear? The two columns together I will select, right click and delete. And sheet, right click on sheet number 3, delete. Right click on sheet number 1, sorry, sheet number 2 and delete. The last only one sheet is there, it can't be deleted. Why? Because only one workbook is there in the sheet. Sorry, only one sheet is there in the workbook. Okay. Is that clear how to insert and delete? Good. It's very easy only. Next, format. So let's show brief what is there in the format. Row height, auto fit row height. Column width, auto fit column width, default width. Hide a row column sheet, unhide a row column sheet. Rename the sheet, move or copy, tab color. So let me finish all this, okay? Yeah. So very easy. First, hide. Sorry. Increase column width, right? Row height and column width. See, here you can do just a double click, automatic increase width, column width. Double click correctly here. See, correctly here. Double click, increase column width. Or else you select the entire table. Okay, go to the format tab, auto fit column width. So which is the maximum length in each column, to that automatically the column width will be fixed like this. For example, row, it is like this. Only much less it is showing. So now select all, auto fit row height. Sir, manually I want to increase. So you just click on the line, increase. Just you click on this line, increase. Sir, they have mentioned this is the particular row height column width should be there. Then what I will do? Select the column, go to the format tab, click on the column width, mention how much you want. Like this. Okay. Same way, row height also. Select a row height. Row you select, go for format. What is the row height you want to mention? They given 15, I'll give 18 or 17. Like this. Okay, these are two options. Next, hide row column sheets. Let me right click on E column. Right click on the E column. Hide the E column. Okay. Again, let me hide the third row. Right click and hide the third row. And now how to unhide a column. Very simple. Many ways are there. Exactly you can click here and right click. Unhide you can use. The last option. Right click, unhide. Exactly you have to click here. Here. Or else double click. Again I will hide and right click, unhide. Exactly you have to do, or else it will not come. See. So that is why, which is the easiest method means do a double click here in the exact location. It will be easy. Or else select the D and F together. D and F, click and drag it together. So where the hidden column is between the D and F, the E column is hidden, right? So it is between the D and F. So I select the D and F together, just blankly wherever you want between this, you do a right click and hide. Easiest way. Or else 2 and 4, right click and hide the row. Easiest way. Always it's the easiest way. Good. Okay, then we are going to hide the sheet. So we have only one sheet, so we can't hide because this is a final only one sheet in the workbook. So let me create a new worksheet. Right click, hide. Again, right click on the sheet number 1, hide. Select the sheet you want to hide. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear for everyone? Good. Good. Very good. Next, let me rename the sheet. Copy or move, tab color. Renaming sheet, very easy. Just right click, rename. Okay, renaming sheet is over, right? Next, move or copy. So see here, I have one is IND and India. Two sheets I have. Let me clearly explain you. No, 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 no. Double tab will not work for unhide. Only row and column will work for unhide. Double tab will just select the tab, or it will go for renaming that. Double tab like this. When I double tap, it will ask you to rename. It will the text will be the text will be entered into editing screen or renaming screen like this. Yeah, yeah, rename is okay. Double click is for rename only, not to add. Yeah, rename is correct. Okay, is my voice is clear to everyone today? Okay, yeah, good. Okay, some few. No, no, I'm asking my voice is clear. Like some few reasons my voice is not properly told. Okay, good, thank you. So just again click on the format tab, move or copy the sheet. So rename we have done. We are going to move or copy the sheet. Just right click on the IND, go for move or copy. See, clearly you see here, selected sheet is IND. What I want to create a copy of that. So I want to duplicate, one more duplicate of IND. So how to duplicate a sheet? Here we learn. Okay, so create a copy. So see here, just give OK. You're getting IND2 on the first. Now, right click, go for move or copy. Now select the IND2, move to end. First is create a copy, next is move to end. Select OK. It has been moved to the last. Okay, first one is create a copy. Second one is move to end. And third one is create a copy and move to end. Yes, yes, sideways now. We can drag it also. We can drag. Let me show you that also. Okay, now what I'll do again. So we have created a copy and we have moved to the end. Now again go for move or copy. Select that sheet, create a copy and then move to the end. Two options together. So IND sheet will be created a copy and it will be moved to the end. So end 3 will be in the last. A copy created and move to the last. And as you told you, so as of you told Sai, just you click and hold on, just move to the last. Like this. You can drag it like this also. Is that clear? Good Sai. Good. Next, let me do the tab color. So just to tab color, you can give like this also, or else right click. Everything options are there, but these are the easiest. That's why I'm showing you here. It will reduce your workload like this. Tab colors. Okay. Yeah. And then finally we have protect sheet. Just right click. So protect the sheet. 1, 2, 3. Let me lock the sheet. Again re-enter 1, 2, 3. So end 3 sheet has been locked. So where I can't type anything. Again let me right click and protect. 1, 2, 3. So where I can type. How to unhide? Same way, ma. Just right click, hide. It will be hidden. You right click on any other sheet, go for unhide, select which sheet you want to unhide, just give OK. Just give OK. Arun Gowda. Just note it. Note it, okay? Just wait a second. Let me have some water. So see, now next, lock cells. So what is that lock cells means? See, I want to send this sheet to you. So what I want, you are eligible to edit only this portion. We are saying like locking the sheet, locking the workbook and all. I don't want to lock the workbook. I don't want to lock the sheet and all. So I want just you are eligible to edit this much, and you are not eligible to edit remaining areas like this areas and these areas. You are eligible to edit only this much areas. Okay, just select this much area, format. Okay, go for lock cells. So before lock cells, what happens if I do lock cells also, it will be not locked. I'll tell you why. First, you have to go for format cells option, last option. Yes, we can do. Yes, ma, Susmita. We can do control A also. Okay. So now select that, go for the last option. See here, last protection. It is already unlocked. So for you, it will be in the like this. For you, it will be like this. Just unlock it like this. Give OK. And then go for here, protect sheet. First, you have to enable like this. So once you do lock cells, it will be enabled. That the tick will be removed. Then protect the sheet. 1, 2, 3. Re-enter 1, 2, 3. See now, here I'm not eligible to type. Here I'm not eligible to type. And only here I'm eligible to type. Is that clear? Again, unprotect the sheet so that everywhere I can able to edit. Is that clear for everyone? Good. Yeah, good. Fine now. So let's go for auto sum. Here we have some formulas, some average, count, numbers, maximum, minimum. Let me give a small intro about how to use formulas. However, we are going to see in that formula tab also. But once if you concentrate here, it will be better to understand there also. Okay. See, always you have to start a function or a formula with equals. Just use equals. You have to begin always with equals. Okay, I think I told in the last class also. First, you type two characters. What are some function if you want? So automatically what happens? Some list of the formulas will be get generated. Use the up arrow mark or down arrow mark. Okay. So select, use tab key to select the function. See. Equals. Yes. U. I started a function with equals. So once I started, automatically I'm getting the drop down box. So in that come down, there is a sum option. Just use the tab key. See, once I, before I'm using sum, come until sum, see what it is telling, adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So this function is used to add uh, the numbers in the selected range. Okay. So you understood what is the use of this function? So let me choose the tab function, tab key. The entire formula is taken with open bracket. So now, so I am having like this, how number 1, comma, in the square bracket, number 2, comma, dot, close bracket. So what is that meaning of that number 1 means? So see, number 1 is nothing but compulsory. We should have one data. We should have one number, at least a single cell or a range. We should have one number, and comma for the number 2. Why this square bracket is there means, assume that here square bracket is nothing but optional. Optional means number 1 if it is there enough. Number 2, if it is there, okay, not a problem. If number 2 is not there, not a problem. Number 1 is compulsory. If square bracket is there, means number 2 is optional. If you have, you can select it. If you don't have, I have only one range. I don't have one more range or one more value. I don't have a number 2 value. So then don't worry about it. It is optional. But one is compulsory, two and dot dot. What is the dot? If you are number 3, number 2, if you select number 2, number 3 is optional. Number 4, number 5, like that will be keep on coming. How much you have, you can keep on select and go. If you have only one cell, you can select, but one should be compulsory. Remaining and all optional. If you have, you can select. That is why the square bracket is there. Is that clear? So even we are going to see like that only. See, equal sum number 1, which is getting highlighted here, right? In the dark. Just select the range. Okay, Canada to social, it has been selected at last. So number, if I give comma, then number 2 is getting highlighted. However, I don't have number 2, backspace, erase the comma. Okay, that is at last. So number 2 after dot, comma, dot dot dot, and finally we are having what? Close bracket. So always opens a function with open bracket and close a function with close bracket. Enter. Is that clear? Ankit? Ankit, mute your mic. You have any doubt? Okay, if you have doubt and are not getting that doubt clearly in the chat box after reading, then you can unmute and you can ask your question. Other than that, please don't. Okay, it's not a problem by mistake if it happens, but don't. Okay. So now you understood how to do sum. Good. So learn from here only how to use formulas. It will be better. So next function you are going to do average, count, maximum, minimum. So let me make that. Average, count, maximum, minimum. Sir, we can do by selecting total and to give auto sum. Yes, yes, we can do. That is easiest option. But I want you to learn the formulas. That's why I'm telling. Okay, sum is okay. Auto sum we can use. Alt equals we can use. Select the range. You can click auto sum or select the range. You can use Alt C. Okay, it's an all easy option only. But I want you to understand the formula clearly. That's why this explanation. Okay. Okay. Next, equals average. So just read the condition. Returns the average arithmetic mean of its argument, which can be numbers or arrays or references that contains number. That means we are going to find average. The selected range can be anything, but it should contain numbers. Very simple. Then tab, select the range. Say tab, select the function. Then select the range from here to here. Then close bracket, enter, drag and drop. Next, equals count. So before count, what counts do? Counts the number of cells in a range that contains number. I'm going to select a range. In that cell, in that particular range, how many cells are containing numbers? Tab. This is a range. Okay. In that range, how many cells are that containing number? 5 cells are containing numbers. Is that clear? No. Purposely I done converting to table to normal. I'll tell you in the table tab why we require that and all. Okay, so we go intersection means you will not get understanding that. So why we have to convert to normal? I'll tell you. What is use of converting normal? What happens when I convert normal? About formatting, I'll tell you. Okay, the table tools I'll clear you. I will clear you that. Next maximum. Just click here. Equals max. Everyone know that returns the largest value in a set of values. Ignores logical values and text. Select that. Select the range. Close bracket. Enter. Is that clear? Then same as usual. Equals minimum. The range. Clear? Good. Very good. Next, fill. Fill is this four option like one of a we don't use that option, but let me show you why that option is used. How to use that option. See, this is the value 75 I selected. Just click on the fill. Down means whatever the values are the top 82 that will be filled down. Okay, then right. So the black color shadow you see. Okay, right means the values in the left side, the 36 will come to the right. Up. So bottom the gray is there. The values in the bottom will come up. Left, right to left. The right side gray we have. The arrow mark you see. From the right side will come to left. Clear? Yeah. Next, series. So I want to ask you something. Okay. What is that means? We everyone know how to enter 1, 2, 3 here. Select the drag up to 10 or 20 like this, right? It's very easy to. We know that it's very easy to drag and drop. But what is my question is, so tell me, what if I want to drag up to 10,000? 10 is okay, 20 is okay, 30 is okay, 50 is okay, 100 is okay. I can drag and drop it. So tell me how it if I want to drag up to 1 lakh. If I want to drag it up to 1,50,000. So I need to keep on dragging and hold my mouse screen. It's very difficult, right? So where? In that particular place, we use the series option. No. Not for filter. Okay. So for dragging, dropping, I'm telling. So see, write 1 here. Select the value 1 in the column. Everyone learn this. Very useful. Select a cell, press enter. Select the cell, go for fill, go for series. How I want. In the rows I want or in the columns I want like this. So I want in the columns. So let me select columns. Linear, step value. Step value is 1 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus like 1. So step value means 1 by 1 it will be added. Stop value 1 lakh. Just give OK. So press Control and down arrow mark key. See which is the last value returned. Very simple, right? Even you can enter how much you want in a fraction of second. Just in a fraction of a second you can, no need to drag and waste our time. We should know we are technique in the Excel. This is how we will show that. Okay, next series. So here what I want growth like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. So let me type here 2 or 1. I written 1. Next we are going to see growth. Just click on the fill. Go for series. I want in the columns growth. Growth means very easy. So step value is 2. 1 plus 2, 2. 2 twos are 4. 4, 4, 8. 8, 8. 16 like that. Step value doubles growth. Stop value is 65 I am giving. Okay. What happens here? Getting double right. Kusuma G. Kusuma. Yeah. So doubles. Multiples of that. Okay. So automatically will get like this. So why? But I given 65, right? Why I'm not getting 65? Why it has been stopped until 64 only? I given 65, but why it stopped at 64? It's double of, sir. We can double it. It exceeds the 5. Yes. Yes. It should not exceed 65. That is what my rule. If I double that, it will go for 128, right? Okay. It should not exceed. Okay. So if it can be stopped previous, but it should not exceed my range. Okay. So that's why it stopped at 64 only. Is that clear? Good. Again, let me select one more cell. Okay. Go for fill series. Date and autofill. I will teach you that what is that date and autofill. We don't want to do that here. Why? Because it is tough then compared to what I will teach. That is also we can do it, but here easiest way I'll teach. So let me 1 1 2021. Write a date like this based on your system date and time format. Drag up to here. Drag the. So now see you are having a box here, autofill autofill option here. Just click on this arrow mark. See, copy cells means what happens? The same thing will be copied everywhere. Very important. Fill series. It will be filled in the series. Next, fill formatting only. Okay, one second. Let me give some formatting also. Background, text color. Some formattings. Fill formatting only. The values will not come. Only formatting will come. Next, fill without formatting. So see, formatting means the color is also not coming and the background color text color is also not coming, and actually it is what date format, right? The format also removed. It's coming as a general format. Totally format is removed. Next, fill days. Now only days are getting filled. Fill weekdays. Weekdays will be filled. Okay, today is 11. I think 9th and 10. Saturday, Sunday. See, weekends are there. Only weekdays are present. Weekend are not there. After 8, directly we are getting 11th. So if I can drag like this, so these are the dates we have attended the class. We can say easily. Weekdays only we have attended, right? Like that. Next, fill month. See, the day is same, but the months are getting changed. After 12 months, the year will get changed absolutely. So here only months are getting changed, not the date. Year will automatically after 12 months. And here, day, month will not get changed, only years will get changed. That is what fill years. Is that clear? Next, flash fill. Let me tell you this later. So where means here. In the data tab, I will clear that. But until here you clear everyone. Copy cells, fill serial formatting only without formatting days, weekdays, months and years. Is that everyone are clear? Autofill options, everything. There itself you have seen autofill everything. Good, good, good. I told Amma flash fill. I'll tell you it is a tool, very easiest tool where you will correct all your similar mistakes in a fraction of a second. I've done similar mistakes in 100 places. All 100 places mistakes, similar mistakes will be corrected in a fraction of seconds. Here I will explain you in the data tab. So it's the right place to explain you that. Okay. Is that clear, Susmita? Yeah. Okay. So please let everyone take 3 minutes break. I'll be back. Okay. Just take everyone take 3 minutes back. Break. Just take a break. Yeah.
ಅದೇನೋ ಕಳ್ಸದ್ ಕಣಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅದೇನೋ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನೋ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Okay, so let's start. We're not back. Good. So is it okay to give 1 or 2 minutes break in the between? You're fine with that? Good. Thank you. I hope until here you are clarified. And next, we will see clear formatting options. So let me select this range, the same range what we have used. First one, clear all. Everything are cleared. Clear all means everything will be cleared. And dust. Again, come back. Clear formats. The data will be there. The formatting will be cleared. Background clear, number formatting or text formatting, everything. Clear? Again, come back. Again, click on the clear. Clear contents. Only the contents will be cleared, but the formatting will be there. Back, same. See? Again, come back. See, if you click on this arrow mark nearby the undo, you will get the list of the things. So to which previous undo you want to come, up to fill left, up to clear, up to where you want, you can select it. So easiest way, until where, instead of pressing Control Z, 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 Z. So where you want to come, until where you want to come, until autofill or until typing minimum maximum there. So directly come to until there, where you have minimum maximum the table, right? Until there you come back. And next, clear formats you did, and we are did, and clear contents you did, and clear comment. I think there is no comment in the cell. So let me show you. See, this is a cell. If the cell is contained, right corner, a cell contains right corner with red. That means contains comment. The cell contains one comment. Okay, if the cell contains triangle, you think a triangle on the right side. Right corner. Okay, so it contains triangle, this small triangular thing, a shape on the left top, or top left corner with green. These are interview questions. Then it will be called as error. The cell. There is an error in the cell and there is a comment in the cell. Error is very important. Is that clear? Let me show you. See, I selected a cell. I written like this something text. My India. Okay. So what I do? First, I want to link. Control K. Hyperlink or link. Come back here. Select the cell, Control K. So what should happen actually when I see select the cell, press Control K. When I click on the cell, it has to go place in this. When I click on India, it has to go to the IND and the first sheet. In the first sheet, it has to go for cell C10. When I click on India, automatically from the this sheet, it has to go for IND sheet. In that, it has to go for cell 10. Cursor has to be placed and the cell has to be selected. That one, like this. This is a link. See, when I click on that, IND sheet C10. Clear, right? So this is what linked cell. First, let me clear the hyperlinks. I'll tell you comment wait. Clear hyperlinks and formats. Linked file also is removed and the color also is removed. Now, so the sheet should be within the sheet, right? Now you can browse other workbooks also. Within the workbook, the sheet you should ask like the sheet within the workbook, not within the sheet. Okay, it's like the sheet within the workbook. Okay, so just you do Control K. You can select. Okay, so you can browse here different workbook also. You can browse different workbook also. In that workbook, it has to go. When I click on that, it has to go to that workbook. Like that also, it is possible. Okay, I'll tell you that. Here, link option. In this place, I'll tell you, I'll teach all the 4 options. Okay. Now, so now again, next, see the comment and error in this cell. Just click, right click, insert a comment. Right side triangle you are getting, so that it contains a comment. And then I create wantedly a error by giving single inverted comma on the start 056. So left side, see there is a green showing that it contains a error. What is the error? If I get like this, say error. Okay, the number in the cell is formatted as text. Actually, it is a number, but the number as formatted as a text. It is an error. Just click number stored as text. Convert to number. Here, there is a comment. When I remove the comment, is that clear, everyone? Everyone are clear up to here? All these options? Good. One second. Second option once again, sir. So second option means which one, pa? Just explain me, Geeta Sri. Which second option you want to repeat it? Which option you want me to repeat, ma? Green border on the top side. Okay. Green border on the top. Left is nothing but error. So what I do, I give single inverted comma. You know inverted comma like this? Okay, you give one single inverted comma. See, basically 056 I can't enter. 0 will be not taken before. So I give single inverted comma and then I type 056. So now it will take, but 0 is not possible to take before. So that is why I give a single inverted comma. So saying that it is coming as a text. So see, automatically the border is coming. Why? Because it's a error. I'm not allowed to give single inverted comma before the number. So why? What happens? The number will be automatically converted as a text. If I give like that, see, number has been stored as text. So convert to number. That's it. Got it? Good. Great. Then we'll go for short filter, custom to largest, smallest to largest filter, and then find, select, replace all these functions. Let's go. Let me take data. Which one? This one. People who are working with me, save each and every day's work. So it is useful to work. So save this or copy to new location. And just send data, copy to new worksheet, create out this. Is that clear? Okay, now just select this range. Short, smallest to largest. Blankly I'm giving short, smallest to largest. I'm not giving based on what. And here if I see also, I don't understand based on what it has been sorted from smallest to largest. I think based on social. Again, sort largest to smallest. But I don't want on social. I want on maths or English like that. Just click here. Go for custom sort. Here you see sort by what? It's correct. As you, so it's taking basically social. So we can change sort by maths, cell values, or cell colors or font colors like that. Cell values. We don't have any colors. So go for order. Order I want is largest to smallest, smallest to largest, or custom list. Custom list I can enter however I want. New list. So like first 56, second 32, like that. But let me give largest to smallest. So what? Maths. Maths, largest to smallest. Clear? Again, click on filter. Custom sort we have done right now. If you want, you can delete that. And then filter button. See here, once Control T, enter. I have a button right here, the down arrow mark button. This is nothing but called as filter button. Here also I can do smallest to largest, largest to smallest. For this, without converting as a table, how to do? Just click, take a filter button. Click here. Whatever the options we have seen in the conditional formatting, all the options has been listed here. So numbers filter equals to 67 on which subject? And Kannada equals to 67. Nothing is that. Again, clear. Filter. Again. Okay, the greater than 65. Greater than 65, I want to identify or highlight on Kannada subjects. See, above 65 are highlighting. Again, just clear. Filter. So these are the use of the filter button. Even if I not convert as a table also, I can add a filter button and I can do the filter options. Is that clear? Varsha, please unlock the meeting. My friend logged out due to internet issues. Mama, what is the problem, right? Until 2:30 people are there, like 38, 30. At last, okay, ending stage, everyone will come back. So how can I? Last option, once again, sir, about highlighting. Yeah, so just first you click on sort, enable the filter button, click, highlight cell colors, custom sort, smallest to largest. This is what sort and highlighting. I don't know, sort or highlighting, ma. Okay, let me unlock for a few seconds, ma. For 2-3 seconds. Tell her to join. I will unlock the meeting for 2 minutes. Okay. See, last option once again, sir, about highlighting. Highlighting cells color, what, ma? Highlighting. Custom sort. So here we are doing everything is highlight. No, we are doing like sort, right? Custom sort and filter, right? Okay. Highlighting and showing only those numbers. Okay. Okay, greater than you are asking. Highlighting is once here, greater than like 65 like that is one, that one. And I think what you're asking is click here, go for number filter greater than 68. Kannada subject 68. Okay. So the highlighting only about 68. Is that clear? Now it is unlocked, must see. The meeting is unlocked now. So is that clear until here? Next, control F. Control F is for find. Control F is for what? Find. So let me clear the filter. Go back here. So control plus F. Find. So let me select all this range. Control F, find. What you want to find? The values that are 67. Find all values. They're telling there is no value of 67. Okay, 69. Find all 69. Only one. In book 2, in India 3. Okay, 69. B11. Here. Okay, that. Replace. Control plus H. Replace that 69 as what? 99. Replace once or replace all 69s at a time into 99. Replace all. All done. We have made one replacement because only one was there. Is that clear? Next, go to. Control plus G is the shortcut key for go to. Control plus F is for find mark. Control plus H is for replace. Control G is for go to. So let me take the conditional formatting sheet. So open everyone the conditional formatting sheet. Everyone are opened. So now control plus G. Go to. Okay. So here click find. Go to special. Where comments. There is no comments in the sheet. Next, go to formulas. Only here in the sheet we have formulas. Next, go to conditional formatting. I think the entire sheet is about conditional formatting. Here, 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 here. Next, go for constants. These are all constants. Go to special for formulas. You can find out where is the formulas. Just see, they selected here. Where you want to go in a fraction of seconds, you can go. Where is the comments? I think don't have comments here. Next, conditional formatting, entire sheet. Constants. Okay. And then data validation. Where we have done data validation? Only here. This is the data validation, right? We have done this in the data validation. So where go only the place where we have done data validation. So it goes wherever I'm choosing, goes to that current location. Is that clear? Okay. Finally, click on the find. Select object. If you have any picture or anything, just you can drag and select like this. Only this much I want, only this much I want. And then selection pan. See, what is the selection pan means? I click here, go to insert tab, shapes. Let me insert a shape. Insert tab, shapes, insert any shape you want. Just select the shape and click here. Okay, after that, go to home tab, click on the find and select, enable the last selection option. Selection pan, you'll get a pan. So where cloud 2, hide, unhide, cloud 1, hide, unhide, drop down list, this one, the arrow mark, hide, unhide. Is that clear for everyone? Is that clear? Please respond me in the chat box. Is today's topic everything or clear? Is there any doubt still? Please respond me in the chat box. Is that clear? Good. So most of the students are not submitted assignment, conditional formatting. So I think Saturday, Sunday, weekend was there. You would have worked on that, but there is no responses except these few people. Okay, I will consider your names for internal marks. So basically, you are going to take exams for 50 marks and internal marks, 40 marks will be there. Okay, so let's see on that. Okay, so people who are not sent, yeah, please send today. I'll give something marks. If not, there'll be no marks. No, ma. You're learning Excel, you're paid. Please, something. You try to do that. Somewhere, help, take help with your friends, your relations, anybody. Take for few hours that laptop. You can work it. I think only one conditional formatting is given. So my mail ID, take up this. This is my mail ID, ma. This one. Taken? So that will be discussed. Written or online, everything will be discussed. The name I have listed, only they have submitted the assignment. Okay, so let's take the attendance. Dinesh, Dinesh. Today's everything you practice, but don't miss the next class. Very, very important pivot tip. Very important. I'm not asking you attendance, Raja. I'm telling to you, mute. I will again ask, then call you back. Okay, unmute your mics and say the present.
Present, sir.
Sir, in today, I'm using that rice to some points. Side, unmute your mic and say me, I'm not getting you.
Sir, today I knew some points, so I skipped some points. I have not taken the whole practical you showed.
So
I
which one
skipped.
that?
No, I skipped some points that I knew. I recorded some points which I didn't know.
Okay.
I was telling that.
Okay. Okay. Is there any doubt? Means you can tell me. Okay, I will clear that. So
Yes, sir.
okay, some flash fill, these things and all I would have left. Why? Because that we are going to learn in detail here. Tables you're going to learn in detail. The data type flash fill you're going to learn the detail. That's fine. Okay.
Yes, sir. The main points which I means I am new to me. I am recording that. Which it's not the point which are old. I am not recording that one.
Okay, so it's your wish. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Geeta Sri, selection pan once again, sir. Mama, just click here. See, come down. Click on insert tab. Go for shapes. Take a shape and insert. Go for the home tab. Come to the last, find and select. Come for the selection pan last. You'll get a pan like here. So you have I symbol here. If you're not getting I symbol, If you're getting like this, you drag like this. Click high, hide and hide, hide and hide, hide and hide. Clear? Ankit, I'll tell you. Okay. Which was yours? Ankit.
Present, sir.
Correct? Anjali R.
Present, sir.
Ankit, present.
Present, sir.
Anisha Tejas.
Present, sir.
Arun Gowda.
Present, sir.
Ashish. Ashish. Ashish, yes. Chaitra BP.
Present, sir.
Chaitra T. Chaitra T. Chandana BG.
Present, sir.
Dikshita R. Dikshita R. Dikshit B.
Present, sir.
Deepthi S.
Present, sir.
Dinesh B.
Present, sir.
Geeta Sri M.
Present, sir.
Arshita U.
Present, sir.
Kalavati M.
Present, sir.
Karthik N. Karthik N. Kavita G.
Present, sir.
Kishore B. Kishore B. Kushal B. Kushal B. Kushuma G.
Present, sir.
Madan.
Present, sir.
Manashi. Manu.
Present, sir.
Meghana. Mithun Gowda. Mithun Gowda. Muhammad Shabir. Muhammad Shabir. Nandini V. Nandini V. Priyanka G. Why so many people are absent today? Nandini V. Priyanka G. Priyanka G. Sai Vaishnav.
Present, sir.
Sharvani. Sharvani. Shreyas, yes.
Present, sir.
Shreyas V. Soundria.
Present, sir.
Suprita. Sweta P.
Present, sir.
Suprita S. Suprita S. Surabhi K. Soundria, put your mic off. Soundria. Suresh Kumar P.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Surabhi K absent. Space Kumar.
Sir, Dikshita present, sir.
Dikshita, you are where you are? I was calling you.
Sir, network issue,
Tanushree
sir.
N. Tanushree N. Susmita V.
Present, sir.
Tejas, yes. Tejas, yes. Tejas Narayanan.
Present, sir.
Asha Bhai.
Present, sir.
Vijayashree. Sorry, Vedant. Vedant. Vijayashree. Vilas K. Yaswini BG.
Present, sir.
Sandeep N.
Present, sir.
Purva.
Present, sir.
Harish KS. Harish KS. Revati N. Revati N. Harshini GR. Sushmita M.
Present, sir.
Supreet BS. Supreet BS. Okay, I think today's all topics were understood by you people. Okay, is that clear, right? Okay, so remaining things, let's